Masen John, this one is for you, right? I try not to involve myself a lot in church stuff, faith mission, prophecy, Father Masang, all of that. Na ke Masen John, ke apara blue and white, ke cracking. But our church is going through a lot, right? And the reality is, the youth. I still consider myself a youth. It was Salalarona. And we then set the trajectory of where the church is going. We set the tone for the ones basabarang and the ones who come after them. We set the tone. Right? And based on the things that we do, it will impact the ones who come after us, whether or not they want to stay or join our church. Two things happened, but I want to speak about one. And I think the one thing that I want to speak about is that I think we've lost the fear of God and the reverence, Saba Prophet. I saw two videos. One, it was this guy, Nashapa's Kupusa Bend. And I said, Mangu habo ya tonga bend ya hai. And for those that don't know, the first bend ya St. John's Kidipiri. And when I said that, I was like, the person who started Bend ya St. John must just come and take it because we have no regard and no respect for it. Second video, I think it happened over the weekend. There's a lady, Namacha, right? And I think she didn't know what there was people behind her. Maybe she thought line if I cave, right? So she stood there, and the lady who came behind her, right? So she then moved to the far right. But the lady and the one in the middle then started laughing at her, causing the lady who was in front to cry. Ola ayemi lining ya bend. I think we've lost the significance of what the bend is for. When God wanted to bring down the walls of Jericho, he sent out a band and he said, march 7 times around the walls until the walls of Jericho fall down. Do you understand how let's apala, how let's a tambourine, how much? You are the intercessor for everyone oling kocharting ya Greg. Do you understand the significance of seaparo seo o se apereng? O khopisa jwang motho o apere lebanta? We have no regard, but we have no fear of God because we can do those things re apere seaparo easily. Do you not understand that how much you go before us? And if there were walls, if there were amafindo, if there were strongholds, if there were curses, band goes before us. Do you not understand that Hareraunda lays her 7 times? There's somebody who's waiting, who's just saying, Hanga kena harhamitsi ana, ketlo fola, ketlo thola mosebetsi, ketlo thola ngwana. Tsohle tsa ka di tlo tsamaya hantle. Kodwa nina ninakho ukuthi nizwise abantu ubuhlungu nime elayinini yeband. Do you not understand that hare rapella metsi kreke tlotswa? There's somebody obeying skupu sa hae mole, hoping, believing that ha band e ka raunda metsi ale, a fumana metsi ale, moya o tla phela, o tla fola, maoto a tla fola. Khona umuntu obheke ukuphola ka skupu sa metsi a se beileng mona se tlo roundiwang ke wena. Kodwa wena ume elayinini and uzwisa omunye umuntu ubuhlungu. May we take a step back and remember who tlile jwang wa apare seaparo se, let alone seaparo sa band. What led you to this church? What drove you to this church? Wa aparetseng lebanta le o laparetse ho boniwa or uqokela ukuthi wena uphole and uzupholise abanye? Hurry itekuleng man Masen John, hurry itekuleng. We are losing the plot. We are losing the plot. We are all after cloud. We are always on the lookout for other cameras watching us so that you could be the next trending TikTok, forgetting the purpose and the cause of the church. itekoleng le itukiseng le nna as well. Ha o apere seaparo, have fear of God, right? And have the love of God as well. Itekole.
Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sello. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. Currently trending, of course, would have to be the Church of the Saint John, following the much watched Clove video, guys. So let's just give that whole video, a trending story, a break. You guys, now this lady is a lady from the Church of the Saint John, and she addresses something that she says is a major factor in the Church of the Saint John, rather. You guys, she talks about bullying. She said it is number one in the Church of the Saint John. There was a video quite a few months ago of two ladies, whereby one was actually pushed as they were like singing and dancing, and the other one, who saw this whole altercation, laughed at the lady who was pushed, and she cried so much heartbreakingly. So now this lady says that the Church of the Saint John, you guys, people are actually ruining and tarnishing its image. It is no longer the church that they knew, and Memanku, who is the founder, is not, wherever she is resting, she is not going to be proud of what the church has kind of become. And as a result, she says that the youth of the church needs to change the way of living and actually treat each other with respect, because it is not only that video. There have been multiple videos which were shared on social media whereby bullying was the number one factor, and there's been people who came out on TikTok to talk about their experiences of bullying. Now this lady says that it is definitely about time that we stop, let me just say we, but they as the youth of the church stop with this bullying and start treating each other with respect, because she believes that the Church of the Saint John is a church for healing. It is a church for all. It is not a church whereby people are looked down upon because of their statuses. It's not a church whereby people will be bullied. People go to that church for healing, you guys. What do you think about what you said? Please do engage, of course, your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also like this video, you guys, and of course to make sure that you share it, guys, so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking on this one and watching it. I'll definitely and surely be seeing you in the next one. Bye.